Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll explore the mobile menu bar widget, a feature designed to enhance your store's navigation on mobile devices. It displays a clean, easy-to-access menu that helps shoppers quickly find what they're looking for without cluttering the screen. Let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the mobile menu bar widget, open your customized Debutify theme. From there, click on Debutify Widgets and select the Mobile Menu Bar widget. To enable or disable the widget, head to Theme Settings and open Growth Widgets. Once the widget is enabled, return to Debutify Widgets and open the Mobile Menu Bar. This is where you can customize all available settings. Under Selected Item Styles, you can choose how the active menu item is highlighted, such as using a top border or a bottom border. With item border thickness, you can control the thickness of the border, including how it appears on the active mobile menu item. You can also enable radius rounded corners to give the widget a softer, more modern appearance. To match the widget with your store's branding, choose from several color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom, which allows you to create your own color palette. To add a new tab, click Add Block and select Mobile Menu. From there, you can customize each block's settings. Item Label lets you edit the text shown on the mobile menu, such as products. Icon allows you to choose an icon for the menu item like apps. Custom Icon lets you upload your own design using SVG, PNG, JPG, JPEG, or WebP formats. Item Link lets you choose where the menu item redirects. And that's it! Your mobile menu bar widget is now set up and ready to use. With the right customization, you can create a smooth, mobile-friendly navigation experience that keeps your store clear and professional. If you need any help, feel free to contact our Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme!